When you invest in downtown Kitchener at a very key location, King Street and Victoria Street, do you know you are only 3-minute walk to catch LRT? If you want to walk to Google office, only 7-minute walk. Groceries, few minutes walk. Hospital, few minutes walk. If you want to get to the Manulife head office, want to get to the university campuses, everything is within few minutes walk. I am talking about the luxury condo building that is Garment Street, and it has tons of amenities. If you are planning to invest, this is your project. If you want to live here, this is the place to grow your family. Do you know Victoria Park is just few minutes away? Let's talk about this particular project. In this project, a lot of amenities are coming. Garment Street building is a beautiful 27-floor luxury building. You will have outdoor swimming pool, outdoor seating areas, relaxation areas, playing sports court, as well as the entertainment rooms, gym, yoga studio, you name it, everything gonna be here. So it's not just only a great investment project, you can choose to live here as well. I have got special pricing for you right now. In this project, I have beautiful 1-bedroom plus den to 2-bedroom units. Even the den size is more like a room, so it's pretty much 2-bedroom unit for you, over 700 square feet starting. And you will be surprised to know the prices are just starting from low 400s. And that's not all. You're also getting the parking as well as the locker. So you're not paying anything additional for that. Parking is included, locker is included. And most important, you're not paying any monthly maintenance on parking maintenance as well as the locker maintenance. Occupancy is scheduled for late 2021, so you will be closing your unit in 2022. But I have very limited units and they are going really fast. No wonder when others are paying in other projects over $700 per square feet, in this project you are getting your unit is lower than $600 per square feet. And that's not all, you're also getting the parking included. Otherwise in other projects you pay parking over $45,000 more to purchase it separately. So you're paying low 400s. I have purchased my unit here and I want you to get your unit as well. You can give me a call or leave me a text at 647-532-3000. 647-532-3000.